in this section, we will go over downloading the IDE, then we'll talk about connecting the Arduino board to the IDE, and finally we'll talk about compiling sketches. To download the Arduino IDE, you have to come to www.arduino.cc. Then, click on the software link. This will bring you to this page. If you scroll down, you will see Download the Arduino IDE. I am using a Windows platform, so I will choose Windows Installer. It will take me to this page, and it's asking you to contribute some money. I will go ahead and click on Just Download. Then I will click on Save File. Once the file is downloaded, click on the executable file and start the installation process. Once the download is finished, double-click on the Arduino icon and the IDE will start, and you will get this window. Then we have to tell the IDE which board we're using. So we're going to go to Tools, and then Board, and you have to make sure that Arduino Uno is selected. And then we also have to tell it which serial port we're using. So we're going to go to Tools, Port, and then we're going to select COM4. Now we're going to compile our first sketch. So if you go to File and Example, if you go to Basic, Blink, we will get this code. This is a simple sketch. It will make the LED connected to pin 13 turn on for 1 second and then turn off for 1 second. Before we upload the code, we have to compile it first. And to do that, we will click on the check button under File. You will see that it says we're compiling. Compiling is done. There are no error messages. Now we can upload the code. We can go ahead and connect our Arduino board to the PC, and now we will click on the upload button. Now it says it's done uploading. Now you should be able to see the LED blink on for 1 second and off for 1 second. If so, then you have successfully programmed your microcontroller. This is the end of this section. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.